In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free landing page using Moosend. We'll start from the dashboard, set up the essentials, customize the design with the drag and drop editor, and publish it so you can share it right away. First, log into your Moosend account and open the dashboard. From the menu bar, go to Growth Tools, then select Landing Pages. This is where you'll manage all your pages. Click New, and choose Landing Page to begin. Moosend opens a guided setup, and you can return here at any time to make changes. Begin with the basic settings. Give your page a clear internal name so it's easy to identify later. Next, complete the SEO details. The page title appears on the Browser tab and in search results, so make it specific and easy to understand. Add a short meta description that tells visitors exactly what they'll get when they click. If you have a small square icon for your brand, upload it as the favicon. If not, you can skip this for now and add it later. Now choose your design approach. You can browse the template library, which includes ready-made layouts for lead generation, ebooks, webinars, and more. Templates are great when you want to move fast because sections are pre-structured. If you prefer full control, choose to create from scratch for a completely custom layout. After you pick a template or blank canvas, launch the drag and drop editor. In the editor, customize the content to match your goal. Replace the headline with a clear benefit statement, keep your body copy concise, and swap in images that reinforce your message. Add a form block to collect only the essentials, such as name and email, so it's quick for visitors to submit. Style your call to action button with a short, action-oriented label and a color that stands out. Align sections neatly, maintain consistent spacing, and make sure your colors and fonts reflect your brand. Use descriptive alt text for images and preview the page on mobile to confirm everything is readable and clickable. When you're satisfied, publish or save the page. Decide where it will live. Hosting on a Moosend domain is the fastest way to go live, while embedding on your own website, such as a WordPress site, keeps the page under your domain. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your choice. After publishing, open the live link in a fresh browser window to confirm that forms, buttons, and images work as expected. That's all it takes to create a polished, conversion-ready landing page in Moosend. Keep refining your copy and visuals over time, and revisit the landing pages area whenever you want to duplicate or update your page.